Guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no, because today on Thursday we have no additional. Thursday, it's actually Thursday, September the 8th. No, it's the edition of yesterday. Wednesday, September the 7th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. It's time now for the cipher block. In Dutch, yes. In English, they call it Tectonic. Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 5, 1, 4, 5. 5, 1, 4, 5. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. Should be an easy one, of course, because it's a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Let me check. Dual box, no dual boxes. Triple boxes then? Do we have here triple boxes? No triple box. I see only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. This box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here, and 1 box left in this quadrant box for the number 1. More quadrant boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes here? Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So, in this case, it's a 2 here. Okay. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright. 3 T-shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Nope, only 1. And the last shape, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3 shapes or figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. Only 3, because maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this area for the numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 3, and that box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround a 5, can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Okay. Then. These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I'm thinking. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left at the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers, the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. I'm left 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4, and this box is connected with that box, also 3 and the 4. Here also up here the 3 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this area, also the 3 and the 4. That means that this box cannot be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 here and a double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So one digit left in this area for number 2. I have here double 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and a more 4. Sorry. I have those two boxes marked with a 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. One box left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shape area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Then 3 and a 4. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Oh, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there in this T-shaped area. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and a 4. Here also, let me see. Well. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. So we solved this within the time limit. So I'm well pleased with the time. Yes, I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the quintuplet, a.k.a. Samurai Sudoku. I've all kind of puzzles or Sudokus playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Almost weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.